Alex was a 12-year-old boy who loved school. He lived with his family in a small, peaceful town. Their house, painted a pale blue, was a cozy two-story home with a big oak tree in the front yard. From his second-floor bedroom, Alex could see kids playing in the park across the street. It was a view he enjoyed every day after finishing his homework. Alex was curious and smart, always ready to explore new ideas. He loved solving puzzles, reading adventure books, and learning about science. But above all, Alex loved lunchtime at school. His mom always packed him something special: a turkey and cheese sandwich, an apple, and a couple of cookies. It wasn't extravagant, but to Alex, it was the best part of his day. One bright Monday morning, Alex woke up with a spring in his step. He quickly brushed his teeth, grabbed his backpack, and dashed downstairs for breakfast. His mom was in the kitchen, putting the finishing touches on his lunch. "Good morning, Alex," she greeted him with a smile. "Your lunch is ready: turkey and cheese sandwich, an apple, and a cookie." "Thanks, Mom," Alex replied, grabbing the bright blue lunchbox from the counter. He stuffed it into his backpack and rushed out the door. "Slow down," his mom called after him. But Alex was already halfway to the school bus, eager to start his day. The morning flew by. Alex enjoyed his math lesson and worked hard during science class. At recess, he played soccer with his best friend, Emma, and a few other classmates. By the time the lunch bell rang, Alex's stomach was growling. He couldn't wait to dig into the lunch his mom had packed. Alex hurried to the lunchroom, where Emma was already sitting at their usual table. She was unwrapping her peanut butter and jelly sandwich when Alex joined her. "What's on the menu today?" Emma asked as Alex opened his backpack. "Turkey and cheese sandwich," Alex said proudly. But when he opened his lunchbox, his face froze. "What's wrong?" Emma asked, noticing his puzzled expression. "My sandwich," Alex said slowly. "It's gone." Emma leaned over to look inside the lunchbox. Sure enough, there was an apple and a cookie, but no sandwich. "Are you sure your mom packed it?" Emma asked. "Yes," Alex insisted. "She put it in the lunchbox this morning. I saw her do it." Emma's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "Alex, this is a mystery. Maybe there's a sandwich thief at school." Alex frowned. "A sandwich thief? Really?" "Why not?" Emma replied. "And we're going to catch them." After lunch, Alex and Emma decided to solve the case. Emma pulled out a small notebook and pencil from her backpack. "Every good mystery needs clues," she said, flipping to a clean page. "Let's write down what we know." "Okay," Alex began. "First, my mom definitely packed the sandwich this morning." Emma wrote, 1. The sandwich was packed in the lunchbox this morning. Second, Alex continued, "I didn't open the lunchbox until lunch. It was closed the whole time." Emma added, 2. The lunchbox was closed all morning. "That means the sandwich disappeared sometime before lunch," Emma concluded. "We need suspects." Together, they brainstormed possible culprits. Liam, he always complained about being hungry. Sophie, she forgot her lunch last week and borrowed food from friends. Ben, he loved sandwiches and never stopped talking about food. "Let's question them," Emma said, grinning. "Liam first." They found Liam on the playground kicking a soccer ball with his friends. "Hey, Liam," Alex called out. "What did you have for lunch today?" "Pizza," Liam replied, looking confused. "Why?" "No reason," Emma said quickly, jotting down notes. Next, they approached Sophie, who was sitting on the swings. "Hi, Sophie. What did you eat for lunch today?" Emma asked. "Salad," Sophie replied, holding up her empty container. "My mom packed it this morning." "Okay, thanks," Emma said, crossing Sophie's name off their list. Finally, they found Ben under a tree, reading a comic book. "Hey, Ben, did you eat a turkey sandwich today?" Alex asked. Ben shook his head. "Nope. Peanut butter and jelly, like always. I don't even like turkey. Emma sighed. Well, it's not Liam, Sophie, or Ben. By now, Alex was feeling frustrated. If it's not them, then where's my sandwich? Emma looked thoughtful. Alex, are you sure you checked every pocket of your backpack? Alex blinked. The main pocket, yes. Why? What about the small front pocket? Emma asked. Alex's eyes widened. He unzipped the front pocket of his backpack, and there it was, his sandwich still wrapped in foil. Emma burst out laughing. Alex, you were your own sandwich thief. Alex stared at the sandwich, then started laughing too. I can't believe it. I must have put it in the wrong pocket this morning. That afternoon, Alex told his mom the whole story. She chuckled and shook her head. Alex, you really need to slow down in the mornings. I know, Mom, Alex said with a grin. From now on, I'll double-check my backpack. The next day, Alex made a big show of pulling his sandwich out of the correct pocket at lunch. No mysteries today, he announced. Emma laughed. Too bad. I liked being a detective. Later that week, Alex and Emma decided to turn the case of the missing sandwich into a fun game for their classmates. They created a detective club where members could solve small mysteries around school, like who left their jacket on the playground or where a lost pencil case ended up. Soon, their club had a handful of enthusiastic members, all eager to crack cases. One afternoon, their teacher, Mrs. Davis, noticed their growing group and asked about it. When Alex and Emma explained, she smiled and offered a suggestion. Why don't we organize a mystery-solving event for the whole class? I'll come up with a scenario, and you can all work together to solve it. The class loved the idea. On the day of the event, Mrs. Davis set up clues around the school. The mystery revolved around a missing trophy from the principal's office. Alex, Emma, and their club members led the way, carefully analyzing each clue and questioning their classmates. By the end of the day, they had solved the case, and everyone agreed it was the most fun they'd had in weeks. From then on, Alex and Emma's detective club became a cherished part of school life. They discovered that solving mysteries wasn't just about finding answers. It was about teamwork, curiosity, and having fun. And while Alex always double-checked his backpack from then on, he was secretly glad his missing sandwich had sparked such an adventure.